I already has given you the instruction to join the class in time. Now, uh, I wish all of you good morning and peace be with you. And I hope so that everyone is fine. Yesterday, I had assigned you a homework about antonyms. You had to match the adjective with their opposite meaning. Now, I expect that you have already done this work. Now see on the screen, you can see the antonyms, adjectives. Two of the columns are there and you are supposed to match them. If you have done, I'm going to share the answers with you. Now the antonym of confident is nervous. Number two, generous is selfish, bad-tempered, cheerful, dirty, tidy, untidy, shy, outgoing, hardworking, lazy. Okay. Now I hope so that you have self-checked the answers. If you have done, I'll give you 1 minute, few seconds to recheck your answers. The answers are right in front of you. It is on page number 7, activity 4. Good, if you have done. Now we are going to move to a new lesson. It is on page number 7 from your learning book. I hope so that you all have the books in front of you. It is about the reading strategy. Now see children, reading strategy, when we read a passage or a comprehension, we use this strategy to read it effectively. Now first thing we do is we read it quickly, read quickly through the text in order to answer the journal questions. Now, if we have the comprehensions with us, a passage with us, we have to answer them. I would suggest it is better if you, it is helpful to you if you read the question before reading the text. And the second thing is decide on the topic. Whenever we read a passage, we suggest a title for it based on writer's feeling or opinion. Then we suggest the type of the text. Now, what is the type of a text? Text type in literature forms the basic style of writing. Factual texts merely seek to inform, wherever literary text seeks to entertain the readers. Okay, factual text. It includes information, reports, explanation, and discussion because as they are based on facts. Now, literary text. Narratives are the stories or maybe a drama or experience. Then recounts and diary entries. So here is the text given on page number 7 to you. You have to read the text and you have to tell which type of text it is. It is right in front of you. Thursday, 19th March, mom had made some new home rules. She said she is not going to tidy up your bedrooms or make our bedrooms beds more anymore. Her three new rules are: number one, we have to make our bedrooms every morning. We have to put all our clothes away in the wardrobe. No toys can be left on the floor, and we can only play video games when we have finished tidying up. I can't understand. I couldn't understand how my little brother Max only took only 5 minutes to tidy his room when it was such a mess. I took 20 minutes to tidy mine. I went to his bedroom and I looked and it looked tidy. But when I opened the wardrobe doors, all his clothes and toys fell out on top of me. Mom was very angry, so was I. So this is the text. You have to tell what type of text it is. You may write in the chat box. Now there are some answer questions given about related to this text. We have to come to that one. The first question is the first thing is that the text is about a diary. So if that it is about a diary, so it is written by Ben. So the writer is called Ben. Why is he angry? So you have to write a single line why that Ben is angry. Number two question is what is Ben like? So you have to write the trait of Ben. Then third question is who is Ben's younger brother? What is he like? So you have to tell the name of his Ben's younger brother, and you have to write one of the trait he has. Now this is the question about you, number four question. Do, do you do chores around the house? If you have any brother and sister, do they help too? Chores, you know that household work. Your mother must have assigned some duties to you, maybe making the bed in the morning or tidying up the room or watering the plant or cleaning the dishes, washing the dishes, whatever. So you have to write it down. And this is your homework, right? Note it down that it is your homework. You have to write the answers at your own. Now quickly move to the next activity. It is a very interesting one. It is about a school report. Pictures are given to you. So they are saying read the school report and choose the picture of the boy described in the report. Now we are going to read the school report. Okay, now this is the name of the pupil is Jen Marcus, class 5. Teacher name is teacher Anna Lopez. Jen has progressed quite well this year. He is a very polite, happy pupil and is very popular member of the class. However, he isn't as hardworking as other people in the class and sometimes forget to do his homework. The presentation of his work is always exciting, but sometimes his marks aren't very good because he gets very nervous when he when we have an exam. Now, children, look at the picture. I'll give you few minutes, 1 minute to go through the text, and you have to look at the picture and you have to select the correct picture which describe the boy. Okay, now see the first picture. Is the first picture shows you a happy person? As in the report it is written, Ben is a happy and polite pupil. Okay, read the text. Read the text. Is Ben a happy, a polite pupil? Look at the third picture now. There is a boy standing in the corner. He is Jen. So does the picture shows you that he is a popular member of the class? Now come to the second picture. Second picture shows you a nervous student sitting in an exam. Now if we read the text, it is written, he gets very nervous when we have an exam. So which picture you have selected? Give your answer in the chat. Good, Seun. You're doing well. You have to see who is the picture is about the happy child. First picture is about the happy child. Third picture is about a popular child, and the second picture is about a nervous student of the class who's sitting in an exam. Okay, move to the next one. I hope so that you have got the answer. That is the second student who is nervous and sitting in an exam. Okay, turn over the page. Turn your books to page number 8. Our new topic is our profile, right? So you have to learn what is a profile. I'll tell you later. Before we start our profile, I want to talk about want you to talk about yourself. And before we do this, be ready with your pencils as you have to write the answers on your rough copy. Use your rough copy to write the answers. Okay, what do people like about you? See, people keep an opinion about our behaviors and our nature. So please write their opinion, what they have about you in one line. We are on page number 8, right? You have to write the answer on your rough copy. A single line you have to write about the opinion of the people. Okay, that was the opinion of the people. Maybe they think you are brave, you are friendly, you are a happy child, you are cooperative, anything they can say about you, tidy, untidy, whatever. Now come to the second one. What do you like about yourself? We also like something about you. We appreciate ourselves. So we are confident, we are happy, we are generous, we are helpful. So you have to write one of the trait about yourself, which you like about yourself. It is very easy to do. Do it on your rough copy. No need to use a neat copy. Okay, now come to the third one. Now, every person has some weakness. You have to identify your weakness. The question is, what could you improve about the way you behave? So, you have to identify your weakness and what would you like to improve in yourself. Okay, Kiara, if you have done it is good. Josefa, wait, wait, what? Please don't write irrelevant answers. Focus on your lesson. We have a very short time. Okay, if you have done with it, okay, now there is a personality quiz given on page number 8. It is already given in bold writing on page number 8, personality quiz. Okay, they had given you some of the questions and the scenario they had given to you, and they had given you some of the options, possible situations, a possible behavior you are doing in that situation. The first scenario they had given to you is what do you do if you have an English exam in 3 days time? 3 days time after, before after 3 days. 3 days time after 3 days. Okay. The first option, start to revise 3 days before. Second option, start to revise a day before. Number C option, revise during break time before the exam. You have to mark the answer on your book. The first one, start to revise 3 days before, start to revise a day before, revise during break time before the exam. Hope so you have marked the answer. Now come to the next one. This is a personality quiz, Philadelphia. This is a personality quiz on page number 8. You may have already done this work in your class. The first scenario they had given to you, scenario is the situation. So what uh, option you will select? If you have an exam in 3 days time, start to revise 3 days before, start to revise a day before, revise during the break before the exam. A, B, C option are given to you, mark anyone. Now come to the next situation, that scenario they had given to you is, you have to read a poem from memory in front of the school. What do you do? This is the scenario. The first option is you read it so you can say it from memory and practice in front of the mirror. B option, you don't sleep the night before because you think you'll forget the word. C option, you got red in face and feel sick when you get up on the stage. Feel sick mean feel nervous or maybe feel ill or vomiting, right? So mark the answer on the book. The options are given on the on in the book, so you have to mark the answer on the book, right? Now the next scenario they had given to you is, how do you behave when you get up in the morning? The first thing, you sing your favorite song in the shower or as you get dressed. B option, you only answer necessary questions from parents, brothers, and sisters. C option, you don't speak to anyone because you prefer to sleep in your bed. So these are the three options given to you. According to your behavior in the morning, you have to mark the answer. Be very truthful to yourself. Okay, come to the next one. The last one is, your friend is unhappy because she got less mark in a test. How do you help him her? A option, this is a very interesting one, so you have to think very carefully. You tell your friend not to worry. You're sure his her marks will improve next term if she studies. B option, you tell him her that she shall have studied harder. C option, you tell him her they deserve bad marks because she doesn't hand in his her homework on time. Hand in mean submitted the homework on time. So I hope so you have marked all the option answers. Now the result is already given at the end of page number 8, so you can easily analyze your personality. Now we have to learn what is a profile and how to write a profile. So for this, first of all, we should know what is a profile. Profile is a short article giving a description of a person. All the information about the person is written in the profile. the place, the name, the age, whatever is there. Now I am going to play a CD for you, and before I play a CD, I want you to be very much focused, as you have to gather the information, date, time, and people name, right? So this is your a cool profile you have to fill after listening that CD. In that profile, you have to write the name, age, country, family, pets, hobbies, best friends. Then you can write what do people like about me, what I like about myself, what could I improve about myself. So it is all about the uh, child they are talking about, profile of the child. Now,
Hi, my name's Santiago. I'm from Argentina. I'm 11 years old and I live with my family, my mom, my dad, and my little brother in Buenos Aires. I've got two pets, a hamster and a dog, and I play football and basketball for the school team. I've got two best friends, Pedro, who is in my class at school, and my cousin Luca, who I've known all my life. What do people like about me? Well, I suppose I'm quite outgoing and cheerful most of the time, so people think I'm fun to be with. What do I like about me? Well, I'm quite a tidy person. I hate it if my bedroom gets messy. I'm also a patient person, especially with my little brother. What could I improve about me? Well, my family would say that I am very bad tempered when I get up in the morning. It's something I really need to change.
okay, now you have listened it, and you can easily fill that profile. This is your homework, right? Beside this, I have some other homework also for you. I'm sharing a worksheet. Either you can take a screenshot of it, right? And you can do it in your copy, right? There are adjectives given to you in the box. You have to complete the sentences with uh, these adjectives, right? It is very easy for you. And today I have assigned you two of the homework. The first is about the Ben's diary. You have to write the questions, and the second one is you have to complete the profile. And just now, this worksheet is given to you. And be ready with your homework by Monday. We will discuss about all these things on Monday, right? If there is any questions, you can ask in the chat box. But you have to do the revision as it is your revision class also. Is there any question? Homework is clear to you? That you can see on my screen. Either you can take a screenshot, or you can go to the recordings, and there is adjectives given in the box, and some fill in the blanks you have to do. You have to complete the sentences, and you have to do this work in your copy. You may do it in your neat copy.